Hello, welcome to my mobile laboratory again. This is experiment number 4. We're going to do exactly the same thing as experiment number 3, except I've taken away the amps meter because I can't get it to work. And with this water, I haven't got distilled water, but it's not tap water this time, it's rainwater. And again I've added table salt in there, just regular table salt as the electrolyzer. So without further ado, let's go. You can see the bubbles are building up again. There is some water in the tubes around here. You might be able to see it moving slowly. Hopefully that should build up that should go a bit faster as the pressure builds up. That's 2 minutes. 14.5756 volts. The water in the tube has just started to move at a reasonable pace. It's not going as fast as I'd like it to. And it's slowing down a bit now. If you remember the last time, it took around just over 8 minutes to lift up the bottle. It's 3 minutes now. Actually, I can see a leak. I think the gas is escaping out of the top here. I haven't sealed it airtight. We'll carry on though. I just know about that now for later. Four minutes, 14.55 volts. bottle has risen and it's starting to rise at a reasonable pace now. It's about a centimetre above the starting position. It's now about 2 centimetres. 5 minutes gone. It's building up its pace. I think it's because the water was in the tubes that it slowed it down to begin with, and plus the leak, which I now know about, I can seal it for the next experiment. Six minutes. There's definitely less colour in the water now, simply by changing the source of water from tap water. Oh, there's some fluid coming down the tube there. Simply changing the source of the water from tap water to rainwater. There's some bubbles coming out the tube, out this top bit. You may be able to see. I suppose the good thing about those bubbles is you can see the speed that the gas is travelling at, because it's pushing those bubbles along as well. However, I don't really want too many bubbles going into my engine. Seven minutes 10 seconds. You can see here is where the mark is, where it began. So it's up about 8 centimetres or so. The bubbles have started coming out like a stream of lava out of this the end hose here into the bottle. Right. It's starting to leak out of both terminals, so I think I'll end it there. Power disconnected. Still coming out, there's still some pressure in there. And that's the end of experiment number 4.